Okay, this is chapter 14, lesson 4. It's quadrilaterals. All right. What do you think quad means? 4, exactly. So a quadrilateral is a shape that has 4 sides. Yes. Okay, it has 4 sides, and some quadrilaterals have sides that are parallel, meaning side by side. You see the word parallel? The 2 L's next to each other, those are parallel, aren't they? Right? Side by side this way, they can be side by side that way, side by side in either direction, as long as they don't cross at one x-up point. All right? It says the Eiffel Tower shown is in Paris, France. Describe whether any of the sides in the quadrilateral outline in green are parallel. So, are there any sides that are parallel here? Which ones? The top and the bottom one. Yeah, you're right. The top one and the bottom one are only parallel. Okay, so the top and bottom. Okay. A quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezoid. So it looks like this. That would be a trapezoid. My table, oh, I have one. Oh, my table right here, up front. That's a trapezoid. Is your desk a trapezoid? No, it's not. So the quadrilateral outline in green is a, so what shape is this? It only has one pair of parallel lines. What is it? Trapezoid, yeah. Trapezoid, just like that. And some quadrilaterals have both pairs of opposite sides parallel. So what that means is this side is parallel and this side is parallel. That's one pair. Then the top side is parallel with the bottom side. That's another pair. So it has 2 pairs. And both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Those quadrilaterals are called parallelogram. You can say that 3 times, huh? Okay. Parallelograms have their attributes shown in the table below. All right. So that means a parallelogram, both sides of the opposite sides are parallel. That means the left side is parallel with the right side, and the top is parallel with the bottom side. Right. Also, the opposite sides, meaning the left and the right, have the same length. The top and the bottom have the same length. Okay, and then it says opposite angles are the same size. What that means is this angle right here, okay, has the same size as the opposite angle on the other side. And this angle here has the same size as this angle. That's all what that means. It says there are many kinds of parallelograms. You can classify quadrilaterals, including parallelograms, using the following attributes, meaning the side lengths, how long is each side, okay? Does it have any parallel sides, meaning side by side, okay? And are there any right angles? Right angles, there's a little box in the corner that tells you if it's a right angle or not. All right? It says use a centimeter ruler to measure the side lengths of each parallelogram to the nearest centimeter. Record your results below. Now look at figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3. Okay? Which parallelograms have all the sides that are equal in length? Which one of those has all the sides that are the same? Okay, so which parallelograms have all the sides are equal? Yeah, figure 2. Okay, which parallelograms have 4 right angles?
Figure 1.
Just that one? Okay, in order for me to find out if it's right angle, what's in the corner? A square. So which one of those figures has that?
Figure 1 and figure 2.
Figure 1 and 2. Correct. Okay. This one is called a, what's that one called?
Right.
The whole figure. What's that called? Rectangle. All right. This is a square. And this one, you can say, oh, Miss Pertita, that's a diamond. Yeah, you could say that. Okay. But the fancy word is called a rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 equal sides only. Okay. A square is a parallelogram with 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. So, my fault. See, this one kind of looks weird because I didn't think that this one had the same size, but it does. So for which parallelograms have all sides that are equal in length? It's figure 2 and figure 3. Which ones have 4 right angles? Figure 1 and figure 2. Figure 1 is a rectangle. Figure 2 is a square or rhombus. It's also called, you could call it a rectangle too, but the square is better. And then figure 3 is it's a rhombus. It's just a fancy word of saying how like a diamond. And diamond like this. That would be a rhombus. All right. Okay, look at number 2. It says choose all the attributes that describe each quadrilateral. Opposite sides are in equal length. Okay. Yes, it is. So does it have 1 pair? They're equal length. It has 2 pairs that are equal length. Okay, and it also have both pairs are parallel as well. Okay. How many right angles does that one have? How many? On number 2. Can't hear you. What?
4.
4. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this quadrilateral is classified as a, what's it called? What's this whole thing called? What shape is it? Yeah, rectangle. Look at number 3. Okay, opposite sides are equal length. No pairs are equal length, right? How many pairs are parallel on number 3? Look at your shape. How many pairs are parallel?
1.
Just 1. The top and the bottom are parallel. Just 1 pair. Does it have any right angles? No. So what would that be called?
Trapezoid.
Yeah, trapezoid. Good job. Excellent. Number 4. Okay. Opposite sides are equal length. Does it only have 1 pair that are equal length? Or are all 4 sides the same length?
Yes.
Yes, all 4 sides are the same length. How many pairs does it have that are parallel? Parallel. Both pairs are parallel, correct. Any right angles?
No.
No. So what's that one called? Not a trapezoid. This was a trapezoid right here at the top. Number 3 was a trapezoid. What's that one called? A rhombus. Okay. You also call it rhombus. Okay. Number 5 is a little different. I showed you that one. Okay, both sides are parallel. I mean, both pairs are equal length. If both pairs are parallel, it doesn't have any right angles though. But it's basically a rectangle that it's slanted to the side, and that's called a parallelogram. That means that this side is parallel to the right side, and the bottom is parallel to the left. So the bottom, the top is parallel to the bottom. All right.
Quadrilaterals. All quadrilaterals have 4 sides and 4 angles. Some quadrilaterals have 2 sets of sides that are parallel or equal distance apart. These quadrilaterals are called parallelograms. Here are some descriptions that will help us identify different quadrilaterals. Parallelogram. Opposite sides are the same length and are parallel. Opposite angles are the same. Square. 4 sides of equal length. Opposite sides are parallel. 4 right angles. Rectangle. Opposite sides of equal length. Opposite sides are parallel. 4 right angles. Rhombus. 4 sides of equal length. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite angles are the same. Trapezoid. 1 pair of parallel sides. The square, rectangle, and rhombus are quadrilaterals that are also parallelograms. The trapezoid is a quadrilateral, but it is not a parallelogram. Explain why. A trapezoid is not a parallelogram because it does not have 2 sets of parallel sides. These sides are not parallel. Let's use what we have learned to describe and identify this quadrilateral by its sides. The opposite sides of this quadrilateral are the same length and are parallel. So it is a rectangle. It is also a parallelogram.
Number 1 says, describe the attributes of each quadrilateral, then classify it. All right. First of all, number 1, are all the sides the same length? Yes. All right. Does it have any right angles?
Yes.
Yes. How many?
4.
4. All right. Does it have any pairs of parallel lines? Are the sides parallel?
Yes.
Yes. How many pairs?
2.
2 of them. The top and bottom, and then the right and left. All right. So what does that tell you? Yes, there are 4 right angles. We said that. All 4 sides are equal, and the opposites are parallel. So what's the shape called? It's a square. And this one, it only has 1 side of parallel lines. Does it have any right angles? No, it doesn't. Are all the sides the same length? No. So that would be called a trapezoid.